Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Wealth Simple account to your bank account step by step. First, open the Wealth Simple app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Tap the dollar sign icon at the bottom right of your screen. On this page, select Move Funds from the list of options. Tap Withdraw at the top of the screen. Choose the account you want to withdraw from. For example, your unregistered account or TFSA, then tap Next. Select Withdraw to external account to send the funds to your linked bank account. Choose your bank account, for example, RBC or whichever one you've linked to Wealthsimple. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then tap Next. Review your details, and when you're ready, tap Submit Withdrawal. And that's it. Your money will be transferred to your bank account within a few business days. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.